Hey guys, I am back to your screens like I never left. My name is Damilola, in case you're stopping by for the first time. We talk everything skincare, makeup, and every other good stuff you can think about. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 affordable body lotions for everyday use. Because now, everybody is making it seem like if you do not have vitamin C or retinol or whatever in your body lotion, it will not work and the body lotion is not going to do what it's supposed to do. Meanwhile, a body lotion is simply supposed to moisturize and hydrate the body. And when a body lotion moisturizes or hydrates your body, it naturally glows. It is not until you have all of this in your products before it can work. However, if you want me to do a separate video on body lotions that will help to brighten your skin, I will do that. Not the ones that will bleach you. We don't do that here. But if you want other ones that, have exfoliants or actives in them that you want me to recommend, I will make the video. I am very particular about these 5 selections because they are for all skin tones and all skin type. You will definitely get something that you want in this product. They are also accessible, they are affordable, and you guys, affordability and accessibility, very, very important, so that you don't have to pre-order or start looking for where to get them if you need them. Also, these products are drugstore products. You can just walk into any supermarket and get them. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The number one product I'm going to talk about is Nivea. Guys, I have made 2 videos talking about Nivea body range, especially their Radiant Beauty range. You guys, no matter your skin type or your skin tone, you will definitely get something. I'm going to attach both videos here, and I'm also going to put a number of their body lotions on the screen. There are also some body lotions that are not part of this range, but you will definitely get something. There's even a particular one that I use. That one simply moisturizes the body. Although Nivea, I have said it here before that most of their products claim to hydrate your body for 48 hours. It's a lie, but it's going to moisturize your body very well, and their products are going to hydrate your body very well. I don't want to start talking about each of these moisturizers one after the other because I don't want this video to be long at all. However, if you can check out any of these Nivea body lotions. They will hydrate your body, and they will hydrate your body very well. And another thing, like I said, so affordable. Nivea, if you live in Nigeria, Nivea products have products for as less as 6,000 naira. Yeah, there are times you even walk into supermarkets and you will see deals of 2 for 5,005, 6,000, 7,000. I mean, yeah, I think you should check it out if you need body lotion. Another product, now I feel like I'm talking about brands. Anyway, another one I'm going to talk about is Vaseline. Most times when people talk about Vaseline, a lot of people think it's the petroleum jelly because, I mean, in fact, in a place like Nigeria, Vaseline is general name for petroleum jelly. But I'm talking about Vaseline, the brand. Guys, this brand is so good. They also have a range of products that are good for everyday use. They have cocoa radiance, they have advanced repair, they have deep moisture, they have a lot. And I have personally used some of them before, so I will recommend. Like I said, they simply do what a moisturizer is supposed to do, which is just to hydrate and moisturize your body. And you will get that with Vaseline products. I feel like a lot of people don't really talk about Vaseline products, and I don't know why. Apart from that, they also have a body oil. I personally use their body oil. I've talked about it before on this channel, and that's what I even use at the moment. This video is not for the body oil, but I'm going to put a picture here, guys. It is so good on the skin. It is not like the regular body oil. It is gel-like. At the same time, it doesn't sit on your skin, and it glows your body. Oh my god. That was a bit dramatic, but yeah, check out Vaseline the brand if you need affordable body lotions. Another one I'm going to talk about is from Neutrogena, and it is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This one I use and use and use. I still use it. It is one of my favorite body lotions of all times. I love it. There's a way it just melts into the skin. It doesn't make your body feel dry after using it, and it lasts whether you top it up with body oil or body butter or you do not, you still get that glow from it. It is so good, you guys. You should check it out. Apart from that, there's another one from Neutrogena that is the deep moisture. I think it has Norwegian formula on it. That one too is so good. Like I said, it's just going to hydrate your body very well, and it's going to give your body a lot of moisture. Simple as ABC. I know Neutrogena has a body lotion they made without popular oil. You guys know that share body oil. I've never used it before, and I don't know how affordable it is because that body oil itself is no more affordable now. It's not very scarce. So yeah, I've not used it before, but if you've used it before and you can talk about it, please let us know in the comment section. Like I said, all of these products are drugstore products. Okay, you can just walk into the supermarket and get them. And this is what will bring me to my next one, Jergens. Guys, growing up, in fact, up until uni, I used to use Jergens a lot, and all of a sudden, people just stopped talking about the brand. Nobody buys them again. But anytime I walk into supermarkets, I still get them. And I used one recently, and guys, it is so good. These products are just as good as ever. And the funny thing is, these brands also evolve. The same thing with Vaseline. These brands evolve in the sense that now that people are talking about brightening and all of these things, they also have all of these products that have brightening ingredients in them. So that way you will still get the benefits that you get from the popular brands. So for Jergens, you have a lot. Whether you have dry skin or your skin is normal, I know there are, it's a wide range, you guys. You will see age defying, that's even for older people. You will see ultra healing, I think that one is for the very very dry skin. You will see deep moisture, you will see shea butter, you will see a lot. And this product also smell good. Oof. For me, I do not mind to have body care products that have fragrance in them. I only make an exception when it comes to my face, but for the rest of my products, and they are so good. And guys, they are also affordable. You will see their products for less than 10K. And they will do what a moisturizer is supposed to do. I don't know why people don't talk about them anymore, but if you still use any of these products, please let me know. You are my person, and so please let me know in the comment section what you think about this product. The last brand I'll talk about in this video is St. Ives. People talk about their body washes a lot. I personally use them very, very well, especially the one with shea butter, kiniko. I can't really remember. I'll put the a picture here. I love it. I love the way, even after you leave the bathroom, I love the way the fragrance, the scent it leaves in the bathroom. I love it. People don't really talk about their moisturizers. I don't know why. Their moisturizers are so good, just like Vaseline, just like Jergens. They are so good and they are so affordable. Guys, let me tell you another thing with this selection of products. You will get value for your money. Do you guys know how big their containers are? And you're getting them for how much? For less than the price you will get the ones that are tagged brightening. You guys know what I'm talking about. So make sure you check out this product and let me know what you think. And if you've been using them, I even feel like at a point in time, we've all used it, whether growing up, whether, I know we have all used it in a way or the other, and they are still good. These brands are still good. I even feel like they are one of the brands that have not compromised on quality. Yeah. Like I said in the beginning, they are for all skin types and skin tones. They are affordable. They are accessible. You get them in supermarkets around you. No, you will easily find them. That brings us to the end of today's video. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If there are other topics you want me to talk about, if there is anything you want me to talk about skincare, about whatever, just put it in the comment section. That's how I'm here. I'm going to make the video. I will make it. Okay. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Please, 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 and please subscribe to my channel. It is so easy to forget. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.